Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. This is Shazia Khan, subject teacher of SST. Today I am going to teach standard 6 with new chapter of history, that is chapter number 3, Harappan civilization. Through this lesson, we will learn first to compare today's town planning with that of the Harappan period. Second, to understand how systematic and comprehensive the drainage system of the Harappan period was. Third, to learn about the way of life and trade of the Harappan period. So let's start. 3.1 Harappan civilization, 3.2 housing and town planning, 3.3 seals and pots, 3.4 the Great Bath, 3.5 life in the civilization, 3.6 trade, 3.7 reasons for decline. So here we start with 3.1 Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavation. In the second chapter we have understood the meaning of archaeological means what study of material remains of past human life. Okay, excavation means digging activity. First began in 1921 CE at Harappan in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization. Excavation were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappan in the Indus Valley. There was a striking resemblance between the remains of structure and artifact found at the two places. Similar remains have been found at the Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, etc. See, this is the place are there Kalibangan. This is the Kalibangan. Dholavira. See, Lothal. This is the Lothal. This is on the map. You will able to see very clearly. Okay, children. Next. Generally, the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. These includes town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage systems, seals, pots and toys, and burial custom. Everything, whatever the things are included, were same in the places of Harappan civilization. The towns were divided into two or more sections, and each section had separate fortifications. Fortification means what, children? You know, walls or towers built specially in the past to protect a place against attack. So let me repeat it again. Fortification means walls, tower, etc. built especially in the past to protect a place against attack. Okay, children. Now 3.2 housing and town planning. How was housing and town planning in Harappan civilization? The houses and other structure in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses had wells, bathroom and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system. The picture drainage system in which baked earthen conducts were used. Okay, the picture I can't show. Yes, like this. These are the drainage system. Here got it, children? Like this. The streets had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. See, our Mumbai side, if you will see, children, all open gutters, but nowadays, as per the government had changed, they are looking after public hygienic also. Previously it was not like that. During rain, floods, all that gutters is to overflow, people is to get sick there. Okay, the streets so this was the housing and town planning. Now 3.3 seals and pots. The seals of the Harappan civilization were mainly square-shaped and made from a stone called stalactite. These seals bear picture of animals. See this, they include real picture of animals like see this, the real pictures given here like bulls, buffalo, oxen, elephant, rhino, tiger, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorns. Human figures are also seen. These seals were used as stamps. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at excavation. Let me repeat again. Excavation means digging a site being studied, that is called excavation. Okay children, to excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with pattern and design in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people, leaves, etc. That can have pattern were there. The Harappans people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with dead bodies. In that time the Harappan people's buried means garna. Their dead bodies, they also bury earthen pot with their bodies. These are the earthenwares These are the earthenwares pots with fish scales. Okay, this is the bath of Mohenjo-daro. Okay children, I hope you understood. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.